How to prepare your space for meditation. Preparing your home for meditation is straightforward, although it is important to ensure that the space that you prepare is free of other people, obstructing objects, and gives you the space and peace needed for the duration of the meditation. Steps. 1. Home is the best place to do this, not school or work. 2. Wear comfortable clothing. White is the preferred color for attracting positive vibes. 3. Light some scented candles. Jasmine is an ideal fragrance. The scent should not be too strong as your senses, including your sense of smell, are heightened during meditation. 4. Turn off music or have soothing music playing. Don't play it too loudly, or you won't be able to concentrate. 5. Turn off the lights. If it's night, put on a diffuse lamp. 6. Turn your cell phone off. 7. Be alone. 8. Have a water bottle handy. 9. Sit in a cross-legged position or lie down on your back. If these positions are not comfortable, choose any position that will make you feel relaxed. 10. Close your eyes. 11. Take 10 deep breaths before starting. Focus on the inhalations and exhalations. Silently observe them. 12. Relax your body from head to toe. To do this, turn your awareness to your head first and say relax mentally. Then move on to your eyes, nose, lips, neck, shoulders, chest, arms, hands, abdomen, thighs, calves, feet and toes, and repeat the process. You may say relax mentally several times to relax your body parts. 13. Think about a positive memory or a positive scene in your imagination. This is a form of silent meditation and yoga. 14. Remain in that positive state of mind for as long as you feel. Go by your heart and feelings. 15. To come out of meditation, count from 1 to 5 in your mind, and at the count of 5 open your eyes. 16. Remember, the best time to do this is during twilight moments. It's okay if you meditate during other times. 17. If anyone interrupts you while doing this, ignore them, and after the meditation is over, explain them what you were doing. Tips. A meditation suggestion. Think that there is no evil in this world and this world is one happy place. Make believe it's a hot summer day, and that you are on a beach all alone at sunset. If you imagine anyone with you, it could be quite distracting. Look at the sailing ships passing by, and be creative and imaginative, and look at the shapes in the clouds in the sky. Look at this glorious rainbow. Look at the sunset glow as it gets darker by the moment. Watch the calming waves from the tropical ocean. Imagine palm trees, like a fairyland. Keep in mind that you are on the sand lounging on a blanket. Don't go swimming or you'll be carried away. Imagine a waterfall in the distance, part of a forest. Put a smile on your face. Don't be hungry or thirsty. Eat a healthy meal like a salad before doing this. Sit on a comfortable bed doing this, not a hard floor. Try to meditate at the same time each day. Early in the morning after you have rested is best before you begin the day. After you think the entire 20 minutes is up, stop the meditation. Warnings. Do not think about evil creatures like monsters. Don't do this on a long busy day, or be stressed out. It will destroy the beauty of the meditation. Focus on the positive only and keep quiet, because once interrupted, you will be disturbed, and not able to concentrate, and you'll have to start all over again, and you don't want to go through that.